Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, August 7th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. Space vehicle design and manufacturing firm Astra has gone through major ongoing layoffs this quarter, with a reduction in headcount of at least 25% since the start of Q3. In addition, the company is shifting more than 50 engineers away from launch to focus on spacecraft production. Most of the impacted employees were in launch, sales, administration, and shared services departments, and their layoff will delay testing of the spacecraft systems. But the company needs cash, and the layoffs will save more than $4 million per quarter. Plant-based food company Tattooed Chef announced bankruptcy at the end of June and has now announced the imminent layoff of 272 workers in Albuquerque, New Mexico, effective on August 30th. Tattooed Chef's revenue declined significantly in Q1 and Q2 of the year, and CEO Sam Galletti said that the business could not raise additional capital, resulting in the bankruptcy and then subsequent layoffs. Finally, FedEx announced late last week that they would cut 280 jobs from a shipment center facility in Tarrant, Texas, the latest in a series of headcount reductions to trim expenses amid ongoing recession fears. Previously, FedEx had slashed jobs in Indianapolis, Memphis, Richland, Temple, and Macon across multiple states.